Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu states in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam time, I divorced my wife during her periods. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, ask Ibn Umar to take his wife up, then leave his wife until she gets clean after a menstrual period. Then let another monthly period pass, and when she gets clean after this menstrual period, he can give her divorce provided he has not practiced coitus with her during that clean period of her. Or if he wishes, he can keep her with him. And this is the time during which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded to give women divorce. Ubaidullah says that he asked Nafi, what about the divorce which he gave? He replied, that was counted. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3639.